Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best electric scooters for commuting that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the JOYOR X5's electric scooter for commute and travel. The X5's electric scooter for JOYOR is perfect for adults. The frame is made of aerospace-grade magnesium, which has a low density as well as high structural strength. It comes with 10-inch air tires that provide max rider comfort on rough surfaces. It features 500W motor and lithium batteries that deliver up to 31 miles of travel. Max speed of this electric scooter is 15.5 miles per hour. With a high-capacity battery, you can travel up to 40.3 miles. The folding handlebar design reduces the use of space, which is perfect for commute. This electric scooter has a mechanical anti-lock braking system which makes the brake respond fast. It features LCD display and headlights with a range of up to 20 meters. This commuting electric scooter holds weight up to 265 pounds. It comes with a wider foot anti-slip pedal for larger feet support. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Razer EPrime Air electric scooter. The potential audience has experienced that this electric scooter features outstanding craftsmanship and modern design with the extensive excitement as well as efficiency owing to the presence of high-torque hub motor. The pneumatic front tires of 8 inches and airless rear tires of 8 inches are added to this unit, which provides a smooth ride on the toughest terrain. The rear-wheel drive provides a safe and comfortable cruise for conferring enhanced control and traction. Few of the spectacular attributes of this unit are folding technology to confer a quiet and smooth ride and patent pending. In addition to this, the anti-rattle patent pending folding technology supplies a quiet and smooth ride. Moreover, the rear-wheel drive offers provisions for enhanced control and traction. It has a max speed of 15 miles per hour for up to 40 minutes of constant use, which is great for commuting. This electric scooter features a 5-stage LED battery indicator display. At number 3, we have the Magicalik adult electric scooter for commuting. This electric scooter is encircled with shock absorbers tires and air-free technology, which removes the requirement for the inflation of the tires for supporting the weight. As the tires do not need excessive maintenance, you do not need to bother about the punctures. What entices the buyer to go for this electric scooter is the energy-saving 250W motor, which will charge the same to about 15.5 miles in every charge. It features rear and front trace along with anti-slip performance and great shock absorption. It can hold weight up to 264 pounds. With a one-click folding system and 28.6 pounds, you will be capable of carrying this unit with just a hand, and thus you can be assured that it is the right lightweight travel product. It is the ideal option for several potential buyers as the brakes present at the rear disc braking, as well as the anti-lock front braking system imparts extra safety. This unit provides a safe and smooth ride as it is in use. The playback time of this product is seen to be 20% longer, as compared to the normal. The LCD display of this product provides notification about the different conditions of the battery. At number 2, we have the Hiboy S2 folding electric scooter for commuting. It contributes to being a strong-built electric scooter that is equipped with durable and solid tires. It has become EPrime choice of end users as it is capable of satisfying your commuting needs. The minimalist look and built quality of this product have added to its popularity. It is compact and lighter in weight, and thus, you can travel around the world easily. It comes with a simple folding system, instead of a large battery pack. It also includes a solid construction feel along with a well-built body. People love to choose this product on a wide scale as it allows you to ride on the bumpy terrain. Owing to the presence of white headlights, you can ride at night easily. It is easy to use and convenient to ride. It is possible to control the speed of the electric scooter with the aid of the cruise control feature. It features smart power management, and lithium batteries of 270 watt-hours, which can hold a motor of 350 watt. It is capable of accelerating to a speed of 18.6 miles per hour along with 17 miles solid range. Smart battery management is included in it, which showcases the health of your battery pack and provides notifications in case there is any problem. And finally at number 1, we have the Jetson Quest electric scooter. This Quest electric scooter from Jetson is perfect for urban commuters. It is made of aerospace-grade aluminum and feels durable. It sits on 8.5-inch rubber tires, which are virtually maintenance-free. This is particularly true riding uphill, as powerful 250W hub motor can reach an exhilarating max speed of 15 miles per hour. With a high-capacity rechargeable lithium-ion battery, it can go up to 18 miles on a single charge. It folds up in a matter of seconds, which makes it easy to take up the stairs or on the train. The handlebars have an LED display that shows your remaining battery charge and current speed. This electric scooter features bright LED headlight and small LED tail light that flashes red for nighttime visibility. The disc brake provides maximum stopping power. The max weight capacity is 220 pounds of this e-scooter. Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.